Kubernetes. Introduction to Containers and Kubernetes. This is another perfect course in network transformation technologies field. Monitoring containers and Kubernetes workloads. Kubernetes is an open-source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications.
Did you know adoption of containers has changed how software is developed, distributed, and operated? Traditional monitoring techniques will not be best fit for containers and Kubernetes. All the I&O technical professionals should enroll to this research-based training to understand how to effectively monitor containers and Kubernetes clusters.
Learn how containers can help an organization to save resources, quickly get software to market, fix bugs, and to add new features. Learn the ins and outs of Kubernetes, from creating a cluster to monitoring a Docker implementation.
Google built Kubernetes. That it has been used to run Google's massive systems for that long is one of its key selling points. Few years ago, Google pushed Kubernetes into open source. Tonex offers 2 days training on Kubernetes and container. Course is recommended for engineers, managers, and employees with little or no container and Kubernetes experience. The course is also useful for those who have experience but have never had any formal training. Learning opportunities. At Tonex training, course topics are always taken from practical world. Also, any topics can be customized to meet your exact need. An overview of the containers and Kubernetes. Container orchestration. How to deploy, manage and scale containerized applications. Deployment and monitoring of Kubernetes. Course agendas. Containers 101. Deploying benefits. Kubernetes features. Kubernetes and container orchestration. Case studies, workshop and more. Request more information. Sign up for Kubernetes course. Visit www.tonex.com.